Alright, it's probably dark enough to be able to see the underbody LEDs there. I don't know if you can see them changing colors or not, but it'll they've got all kinds of different patterns or designs or whatever. It's kind of fun, totally useless, but let's see if I can change this while recording. Don't know if that'll work or not. Of course, we got a plane going overhead. Yeah, so I guess it quits recording when I switch. Anyways, that's most of the time. That's what I have. Just a blue light under there. And then, as that is illegal when traveling down the road, then I'll switch it to amber when all the marker lights are on. So I think I'll probably get one more and put it behind the axles there. We'll see. Anyways, just one of those fun little projects that a guy can do once in a while. I'll speaking of lights, I have more to wire up. I got the marker lights on the slide outs here, the one on this front corner, and the ones on the bumper to wire up. So I'll try and get that done in the next few days. Anyways, fun stuff. And there's kind of what it'll look like going down the road at night with the lights on. Got a couple of marker lights to wire up and rewire, but I don't think they'll be able to say they didn't see me.